Have you been asked to use Lockdown Browser and Respondus Monitor for an online exam? Many candidates lose marks because they don't know how the system works. A small setup mistake can stop you from starting the test. So here's what to expect and how to prepare. First, let's know what are Lockdown Browser and Respondus Monitor. So basically, Lockdown Browser is a secure web browser that prevents forbidden actions during an online exam. Respondus Monitor is an AI-assisted remote proctoring system that works with Lockdown Browser. It uses your webcam and microphone to record your exam session. Features of Lockdown Browser. The browser typically blocks access to other websites, prevents opening additional applications, disables copy, paste, and printing, restricts keyboard shortcuts, prevents screen capture and screen sharing, and also it requires you to remain inside the secure exam environment. How Respondus Monitor works. During the exam, Respondus Monitor may record video and audio throughout the session, detect unusual movements or behaviors, flag suspicious events for instructor review, monitor whether your face remains visible or not, record if additional people appear in view, and log certain exam events for later review. Common mistakes to avoid. Starting the exam without testing your webcam, poor lighting that hides your face, looking away from the screen repeatedly, and leaving your seat during the exam. Now there are some final tips. Success isn't only about knowing the subject. Being familiar with Lockdown Browser and Respondus Monitor can help you avoid unnecessary stress, prevent technical issues, and focus on performing your best during the exam. This was all. Thanks for watching.